Eric needs some more work,
Nah, I'm
though.
just kidding.
Yeah, he did a good job,
fantastic.
though.
He did a great job. He doesn't need any work. Good
What are you
job, Hector.
Gonna do the fire alarm system.
Dustin,
It's gonna go off in a few minutes.
Good job.
enjoying the energy and the morale this morning. I love to see it.
You know, the ramen noodle shirt.
Love to see it.
I like my shirt.
What's new, Eric?
Should go off in a few minutes.
Alright.
What's new, Andrew? What's good, Andrew? Hello. Sorry.
Oh, there it is.
We don't, wait.
Everybody stay calm. Everybody stay calm. Stay where you are. In the event of a fire,
Stop,
what
drop,
do we
roll.
do?
Stop, drop, and roll.
No. No. You exit the building via the doors that are over in S corridor. Yeah? We're gonna walk out those doors. We're gonna head over to Schubert Ave. We're not gonna cross the street. We're gonna stay, on the side of the building. We're gonna stay out there, stay together, make sure everybody's where they need to be, and watch the building burn.
Okay. And have some s'mores.
I like it.
And have some s'mores, maybe.
So, just remember, stay calm in a situation like that.